So the project we're going to start working on next is to organize all of this. So I just reorganized the shop in here a little bit. I brought this in from out there, so I spread it out. And I realized this is all just really cluttered and crazy and whatever. I'm like, I need to do something about this. So I was like, I put this board up because I was like, wow, maybe we could like attach things to something. And then I realized that if I built a frame behind these cupboards, lined up with the supports on this, we could build a frame up here, put a back on it, put a front on it, and then I could, put some shelving organizers in it. I could, put some hooks in it. I could put some shelves on it. Just sort of declutter all of this a bit. So that's the plan. So that's what we're going to do as our next project. Okay, so here is the initial drawings for the tool rack space that's going to go behind the two shelves. Basically it's 54 across, it's 36 down. I spent some time online and I found some organizer shelves that has a backer and all these little cubbies that should fit about here, which will leave me a little bit of space to build in some shelves or some posts to hold tape or whatever else that I want. So that should be the basics. So then, this is the support structure that's going to go behind it. These will all be 2x4s. And I'm actually going to do what are known as lap joints. And we'll get more into that later. To attach at these intersections, just to make it look a little nicer, or be a little cleaner, and be a flat surface on the back side, and where I can attach, the 54 by 36 inch plywood, which everything else is going to attach to. So I forgot to add that in order to build this structure out of 2x4s, I figured out I needed 5 2x4s. And for this structure, I really only needed a 4x4, because with a 4x4, I got to cut it down to 36 inches anyway. I need another, what is that? Only another 8 inches over here at 36 inch high. So if I cut at 36 inches high, I'd have a 12 inch by 36 inch piece, or 12 inch by 48 inch, which I could then cut down to fit right here next to this. So I can get a 4x4, that would be great. If not, I can get a 4x8 and cut it exactly, the 54 I need and the 36 I need, and then just have a big chunk extra. So got that wood, and then we'll get things taken care of.